In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate loan EMI in Microsoft Excel. To get started, open your Excel file and make sure you have a blank worksheet or a section of your sheet ready for the calculation. This method is useful when you want to quickly find out how much you'll need to pay every month on a loan based on the loan amount, the annual interest rate, and the loan term in years. Begin by entering your values into the sheet. You'll need three basic inputs: the loan amount, the interest rate, and the number of years for the loan term. It's a good idea to place these in separate cells so the formula stays clean and easy to update later. For example, you might enter a loan amount of 100,000, an interest rate of 12%, and a loan term of 5 years. Once those values are in place, click on an empty cell where you want the EMI result to appear. This is the cell where Excel will calculate your monthly payment. In that cell, type the PMT formula. The structure you'll use is equals PMT, then open parentheses, followed by the cell containing the interest rate divided by 12, then a comma, then the cell containing the number of years multiplied by 12, then another comma, and finally a minus sign before the cell containing the loan amount, and then close the parentheses. The reason for dividing the interest rate by 12 is that EMI is usually calculated as a monthly payment, so Excel needs the monthly interest rate rather than the annual one. In the same way, multiplying the number of years by 12 converts the loan term into total months. Adding the minus sign before the loan amount helps display the payment as a positive value, which is generally easier to read. After typing the formula, press enter. Excel will instantly return the monthly EMI amount. Using the example values of 100,000 for the loan amount, 12% for the interest rate, and 5 years for the term, the result comes out to 2,024.44. That means you would pay 2,024 for every month for 5 years, which is a total of 60 months. One helpful tip is that if you change any of the input values later, Excel will automatically recalculate the EMI for you. This makes it easy to compare different loan options and repayment periods without having to do the math manually. And that's it. You now know how to calculate loan EMI in Microsoft Excel.